Ambrose Bierce was born in 1842. He was an American short story writer, journalist, poet, and Civil War veteran. His book, The Devil's Dictionary, was named as one of the 100 greatest masterpieces of American literature. His story, An Occurrence at Owl Creek Bridge, has been described as one of the most famous and frequently anthologized story in American literature. Bierce was born in a log cabin in Ohio and was of entirely English ancestry. All of his forebears came to North America between 1620 and 1640 as part of the Great Puritan Migration. He often wrote critically of both Puritan values and people who made a fuss about genealogy. He was the 10th of 13 children, all of whom were given names by their father, beginning with the letter A. A prolific and versatile writer, Bierce was regarded as one of the most influential journalists in the United States and as a pioneering writer of realist fiction. For his horror writing, ranked him alongside Edgar Allan Poe and H.P. Lovecraft. He may well be the greatest satirist America has ever produced. His war stories influenced Stephen Crane, Ernest Hemingway, and others, and he was considered an influential and feared literary critic. In recent decades, Bierce has gained wider respect as a fabulist and for his poetry. In December 1913, Bierce traveled to Mexico to gain first-hand experience of the Mexican Revolution. He disappeared and was rumored to be traveling with rebel troops. He was never seen again. Bierce has been fictionalized in more than 50 novels, short stories, movies, television shows, stage plays, and comic books. Most of these works draw upon Bierce's vivid personality, colorful wit, relationships with famous people such as Jack London and William Randolph Hearst. An Occurrence at Owl Creek Bridge was originally published in the San Francisco Examiner in 1890 and was first collected in Bierce's books, Tales of Soldiers and Civilians. The story is set during the American Civil War and is known for its irregular time sequence and twist ending. Bierce's abandonment of strict linear narration in favor of the internal mind of the protagonist is an early example of the stream of consciousness narrative mode. Please watch the provided video, An Occurrence at Owl Creek Bridge.